I want to welcome everybody to the North Raleigh swimming pool project that we started during the winter and we're now finished up in the spring. Come check it out. This project here is based around the pool and the spa. This pool is an Aqua Technics pool in platinum. It is 6'7" deep and goes up to the shallow end of 3 foot deep. It's 15, 11 wide and 37 long. We also added in the spa flush with the swimming pool, and we've got a little waterfall cove here that goes from the spa and into the swimming pool. This pool turned out absolutely fantastic, and if you're looking for that Caribbean Turks and Caicos vibe, this is definitely the color for you. Some of the features that customers often overlook is the activities in the swimming pool. So when you're thinking about your pool and you've got kids, know that in the neighborhood, they're gonna have a lot of friends over and you wanna have something for them to do, and putting a basketball hoop in is one of the best things you can do to keep all the family, the kids, and your kids at your house during the summertime. Some of the assets you can add on to your pool is the hideaway skimmer lids, which I'm standing on here. These are seamless, they look very attractive. They're not the ugly plastic that you normally see from other pool builders. A little bit more expensive, but it's all about the details. It's hidden and looks fantastic. Secondly, we've got the beautiful auto cover. The auto cover comes flush to the pavers, and then during the rains or storms that you get, you can shut your pool. You don't have to worry about all the debris getting in there. It makes maintenance an absolute breeze, and you don't have to worry about it. You come in, open up your pool, and enjoy your time. On this pool project, the client wanted privacy on one side with no maintenance. That's why we chose Trex composite fencing. And on the back side, he wasn't worried too much about that. We did the beautiful black aluminum around the remainder portion of the property. I know that this is a swimming pool project, and that's why the client called us. But the number one thing we look for when we step on site is drainage. And in this project, there is a lot of it. We've got drainage coming from the front of the house, and you can see here where we did this beautiful dry riverbed. On the other side, we put a culvert drain and a beautiful rock backstop to this so that all the water goes right to this point. It goes into an 8-inch drain pipe and goes around the property down to the bottom of the hill. Secondly, we use that drainage pipe and its size to put the gutters from the home's drainage into that pipe, so nothing is around the pool area. You don't have to worry about it being saturated. And then of course, with our drainage, we do absolutely sexy work when it comes to your channel drains. There is a 4-inch NDS channel drain underneath this, but you would never know. Why? Because they're flat out ugly. We put it underneath, concrete it in, and make a beautiful cut line, and that gives you a very attractive slot drain that nobody even sees. Whenever you're thinking about your pool patio, you always want to lean into the lighter colors. This patio here is a light color, gray and white mixture, a stone that comes from Turkey, and it's tundra gray. This is a beautiful stone to go around any swimming pool. We added the coping around the pool and the spa in a beautiful bullnose so that when you're getting in and out, it's just a round surface that you're coming in and out of. When you're finishing up your pool, coming into the closing pieces, you always want to think about covering up your AC units and your pool equipment. They just don't look attractive. We don't want to see them, they're mechanical, and we want them out of sight. What we did here is add a beautiful wood fence to hide their AC units and HVAC, and over there we did the same thing to hide the pool equipment. That way, when you're hanging out in your spa, you don't have to worry about an ugly mechanical system. Whether your budget is high or low, contact us at ConstructiveDesignGroup.com. We will give you a beautiful design that you can make some incredible memories with your family.